In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide LinkedIn connections from employer. If you want a little more privacy on LinkedIn and prefer that other people, including your employer, can't easily view your connections, this setting is simple to adjust. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to change so your connections are less visible. To begin, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed page. This is the home screen where you normally see posts, updates, PA, and activity from your network. Starting from the feed makes it easy to access your account menu quickly. Once you're there, look to the top of the page and click on Me. This opens the account drop-down menu where LinkedIn keeps your profile options, account tools, and personal settings. If you're using a smaller screen, the layout may look slightly different, but the Me option is still the place you want. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where LinkedIn lets you manage your account preferences, including who can see your information and how visible your activity is to others. After the Settings and Privacy page opens, find and click on Visibility. This section controls what other people can view about your profile, your activity, and your network. If privacy is your goal, this is one of the most important sections to know about on LinkedIn. Next, look for the option called Connection Visibility and click on it. This specific setting determines whether your connections list can be viewed by other people. It's the setting you need if you want to limit access to your network. Now, toggle off. Connection Visibility. Turning this off means your connections will no longer be visible to others in the usual way, which can help keep your professional network more private. This is especially useful if you don't want coworkers, managers, or recruiters closely tracking who you're connected with. After you switch it off, LinkedIn should save the change automatically. It's always a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the toggle stays in the off position before leaving the page. And that's it. By updating this one visibility setting, you can make your LinkedIn account more private and keep your connections less exposed. If you found this helpful, you can use the same visibility section to review other privacy settings as well, so your profile works the way you want it to.